It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, my name is Wadacy2 from uklocksport.co.uk. This is another bumping video of one of our fantastic universal padlock bump keys, and it's a left side key. I've actually done a video of this Solex and bumped it with the universal padlock right side key. The reason I'm adding this one yet again is because if you visit our store specialkeys.co.uk, you could purchase a left side if you wanted on its own, or you could purchase a right side on its own, or you could purchase both. So you've got a little set of universal padlock bump keys which are left and right, and both are absolutely spot on. So I'm going to bob the Solex and the right side bump key to one side. This is a square 40mm padlock, and just there it says SAL and it's got a /40. I don't know what the SAL means, but it is interchangeable lock because there's a screw down there where the shackle goes, so you can actually take that out. And I'm actually going to be using like a spacer on this for the simple reason of the depth that you've actually got there. Now and again the bridge of the key, when bumping, if I can angle that properly, that there can catch every now and again and it hinders the bumping process. So a little spacer such as that works absolute wonders. So let's lock this up, and you can have a look at this fantastic key, and it's superb, same as the right side one that I've got with the Solex. You can see it's not a working key, fully locked up. I can draw out and turn and it's not actually opening. Now bob this little spacer on. Hopefully you can see there. Now bumping, as I've said before, it's hit and miss. You can get them to go in one bump or it can take a few cracks. But that's what it's all about, guys. So slight tension on this, and I'm just using my thumb. See how we get on. One crack. Give that another go. Try it out a tad, show it's not working. Again, slight tension on there. Couple of cracks on that one, but like I say, bumping is hit and miss. One more go at that. So it's not working again. Slight tension on the keyway. Try out a tad. A few more cracks. So I've got to give that one more go. Draw the key out. In it goes. Try the finger on the bottom out of interest. Perfect. One crack. Absolutely spot on, it really is. that's locked up. Slight tension on the bottom. And another fantastic crack. And the reason I've done that quite a few times, guys, is because generally when you're bumping, and I'm just explaining this because we might have some newbies that are watching, is you see a lot of videos where the thumb and the first finger are on the top of the key and the bottom, where you turn and, like I say, you apply very, very slight tension on there, and as you strike the back of that key you turn at the precise moment. All you're doing is edging it over a tad, but just your thumb on the top of the key when bumping will assist in opening that lock, and it's the same with your first finger. You can actually apply slight tension just under there, but with your thumb being, this is my sort of theory, with your thumb being slightly big you're applying more tension at the top, whereas at the bottom you're not applying as much more with your first finger. So again, like I say guys, it can be hit and miss there. So that's the Squire bumped with a little spacer on it, using our fantastic universal Padlock left side bump key. Put those to one side. Now we've got the Solex, which I've done before. Lock that back up, and again this can be hit and miss. As I explained there, that's what bumping is all about. You can see it's not a working key, but again, general rule before is you draw out one tad, turn, bosh, open the lock. Not always the case, and this will prove me wrong now, but hey, it's live on camera and that's what happens. But you draw out, with this one it likes a few more clicks. Let's give it a tad more, and it's got quite a springy keyway there, so the tension on the actual key is quite a bit, to be honest with you. And it's a sharp crack, like so. I would do that again, but my battery is running low on my camera. So basically what we've got is the Solex, and that was bumped using the universal right side key, and the Squire lock was bumped with the universal left side key. I hope you can see that. I'll show you both keys offered up side by side. So these are absolutely spot on, guys, they really are. I thought I'd go a little bit in depth into the video, so I do hope you enjoyed it. Like I say, if you are newbies, come and join uklocksport.co.uk for great hints, tips and advice. While on the forum, visit our store, which is specialkeys.co.uk, where you can literally buy special keys amongst a lot of other different bits and pieces, and the store is literally updated weekly. So come along and join, enter our competitions again, which are absolutely free to join, and you can win great prizes such as locks, pick sets, etc. So the forum's free, entering competitions is free, and the advice is free. So come along and join, guys. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.